So welcome to All-Star Music Resort. This is Country Fair Building 5, room 5605. And after a 20-hour travel day from Manchester in the UK, we're finally here. Checking in about 11 o'clock at night. So this is a standard room. As you come in, you have a little table with USB ports and 2 plugs. You have a table and 2 chairs, and this comes down as a bed, as I'm sure you've seen in many other videos. I won't pull it down now. You have a coffee maker with coffee. This is where you'll find your air conditioning unit, which is blowing quite well. You got a fridge down there with no unpacked yet. So we have a nice little fridge. And we have the waste, which you can separate out. A nice light there. I like to say music was playing when we came in, but it wasn't. It's on mute. So we have a nice table. Again, more plugs and USBs. And 2 more there. It's good with enhanced cleaning. It tells you all about it. Plenty of storage on this side here. And then into the connecting door to the room adjacent, which we're not using obviously. Some coat hooks. Nice bed with some nice pictures and lights. Again, more storage. USBs. Again, on either side of the bed, plenty of pillows, which I'm sure we'll need. And we have a sliding door, which goes into the bathroom. So we just have one sink and a nice light, and a mirror for makeup and shaving. Iron hairdryer in the corner on the ironing board. And then about 8 or 9 coat hooks, somewhere to hang your clothes. We're only here for 2 days before moving into our condo, so we won't really be unpacking. Nice view of the room. Not a bad room at all, really. I think it's one of the refurbished ones. Into the bathroom, a bit green. We have towels. Obviously the toilet, our lavatory, and then we have a walk-in bath, cum shower, really nice rain shower head, and some nice H2O products as well. I'm sure I'll be using very, very shortly. So it's a nice light room. I'll just walk to the other side and give you one final view from the other side, but I think we'll be comfortably run here a couple of nights, and it's already 11 o'clock on the first night. This is Country Fair, room 5605. All-Star Music.